Hello and welcome to another Scriptcase Fundamentals training. In this class, you are going to see the different types of applications that are available in Scriptcase. For this video, I will mostly be using the Scriptcase website, as we have various examples of each application available to show you before we dive into each of them during the next classes. I will start with the grid application, as it is one of the most extensive applications available with its range of features that will give you greater potential when creating lists and reports. The grid application is divided into several modules and comes integrated with charts, with built-in search options, summaries, and so much more. Let's go to the Scriptcase website and take a look at the samples that we have available here. Now here I am viewing scriptcase.net/samples/ on the left-hand side the option to view reports, as well as various grid applications which we can then view and check out for ourselves. So here viewing, for instance, the grouping buttons, we can see an example of a basic grid application. Next up is the chart application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The chart application is a powerful graphing application. It has a simple and intuitive way of creating charts. There we can define the dimensions and metrics based on our database tables. Let's see the chart samples again within the Scriptcase samples. And here on the left hand side we have our charts. Here you can select which kind of charts you want to preview and see the various types of charts available within Scriptcase. The next application is the form application, which is available here. The form application is an essential application for any project, as it allows you to manipulate data by inserting, updating, and deleting records in any database. It is a solid application that can be customized to fit your own business rules and requirements. So let's go back to the Scriptcase examples, and this time we will view the forms, and let's choose one of the form examples. And here we have the simple form, which gives a basic overview of how the form functions and what it looks like. Notice that this form also includes a copy button. Next is the control application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The control application is similar to the form application, but it does not need to associate a database table to be created. It allows you to create your own custom HTML and CSS templates, which you can import and apply them with ease. Then you can still go ahead and use all the abilities of a Scriptcase application, including the use of events as well as business rules. Let's see a control example on the Scriptcase samples website. So here within forms, down the bottom for instance, we have a control HTML login form sample. We can see here a sample of what the control application can look like using a custom template. Next up is the search application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The search application is used to be integrated with a form application. It is necessary to make a link between the applications. Let's go to the Scriptcase samples website and again this time view a sample of the search application. Here we then have on the left hand side menus. Again within the form option we can view here a sample of the search application. Here we have the option of a form capturing a link in a filter as well as a dynamic search. Here we can enter a company name and search for it. Next is the menu and tree menu applications, which are both available here in Scriptcase. Both the menu and the tree menu are used for the system or platform navigation. This menu allows the creation of horizontal and vertical menus, which can include buttons and submenus, which the tree allows you to structure your links or applications into a hierarchy. Let's check out the examples again here within the Scriptcase website. And on the left hand side we have here the menus option, and here we have a horizontal menu example as well as the option to view the tree menu. Next is the tabs application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The tabs application provides a typical interface which allows you to bundle applications into a tabbed interface for faster access. Let's check out the Scriptcase samples website again and view an example of the tabbed application. So here on the left hand side we have then the other applications, and here we have tabs with applications as well as other options available, and we can check out the example. Next up is the PDF report application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The PDF report application is used for creating reports in PDF format. It is very useful for creating electronic invoices, receipts, and printouts for specific data. Let's check out the Scriptcase samples website again and view a sample. So on the left-hand side, we have the option to view reports, and here we can then view various reports which have then used PDF for printout. At the bottom, I will select to view the business card report with the PDF application. Next is the dashboard application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The dashboard application is a useful and elegant application that allows the user to organize multiple applications in a single screen, typically used for platform dashboards or custom interfaces where specific data needs to be in view. Let's check out the Scriptcase samples site again, and here on the left hand side we have the dashboards, and here we can view the dashboard application. Next up is the blank application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The blank application is, as its name suggests, it is a blank application where you as the developer are free to program whatever you need. By using PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can create your own application and integrate it into your project with ease. Let's choose one of the blank applications available at the Scriptcase sample site, and here on the left hand side we have programming, and at the top we have available then the blank application. So here we can see an example of a blank application being used to display some data. Another sample would be the use of the Cold Fusion or Fusion chart library, which is also available within Scriptcase. And the final application I will show you is the calendar application, which is available here in Scriptcase. The calendar application is a very interesting application in that it allows you to create an application dedicated to event management with various calendar layouts and complete integration with Google Calendar, also allowing you to import and export your events. So let's return back to the Scriptcase samples website and check out an example. On the left hand side within the menu we have other applications, and here we can view a Google Calendar or a Google Calendar integrated with the Google Calendar. And that is all for the application types available within Scriptcase. And as you can see, you have just about any type of application that you want or will need. And if not, then you can also make it yourself using the blank application and control applications. Please do take your time to review the various samples and examples available on our website. You will find a wealth of information and support if and when needed. Thank you for watching this part of the Scriptcase Fundamentals training. I hope to see you again next time. I hope to see you again soon in the next class.